Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we introduce various Korean dishes. Today, we're going to talk about a unique dessert that people in Korea often enjoy after a meal. It might be a little different from the dessert you're used to. It's called Bibimbap, or fried rice. In Korea, after grilling meat, we often use the leftover sauce and ingredients on the grill to make a delicious fried rice. It's especially popular to make fried rice after eating bulgogi, or marinated beef. Let me show you how it's done today. First, let's start by grilling some bulgogi, which is marinated beef. This bulgogi is marinated in a soy sauce-based mixture that gives it a sweet, unsavory flavor. The soy sauce not only complements the meat, but also goes perfectly with vegetables like onions and mushrooms. This combination of flavors is one of the reasons why people in Korea love bulgogi so much. When you visit a Korean barbecue restaurant, a grill is usually set up at your table, and customers often grill the meat themselves. Sometimes the staff will help you grill, but in most cases, grilling the meat yourself is part of the fun. This is a big part of Korean barbecue culture. Today, I'll be the chef and show you how to grill the bulgogi, and later, how to make the delicious fried rice that comes after. Now it's time for the main dessert. After finishing the meat, some oil and seasoning will remain on the grill. This is the perfect time to add the rice. Rice is a staple food for Koreans. We also add some seaweed flakes and chopped kimchi to the mix. As you know, kimchi is one of Korea's most iconic dishes. Its spicy and tangy flavor combines beautifully with the leftover bulgogi sauce on the grill, creating an incredible taste. This fried rice is like a final step to finish off the meal and fill you up even more. Now, we'll mix everything together and stir fry it. The key here is to let the rice and ingredients stick to the grill slightly so that they develop a toasty flavor. In Korea, we call this crispy part nurungji, and it adds a crunchy, savory touch to the dish. Here's the finished fried rice. Let's give it a try. The leftover bulgogi marinade has soaked into the rice, giving it an amazing flavor. The spiciness of the kimchi and the nuttiness of the seaweed blend perfectly. This is the charm of Korean-style dessert. I really recommend that you try making this fried rice if you ever visit Korea after a hearty meal. It's the perfect way to end with another layer of flavor. Today, we introduced a special Korean-style dessert fried rice, made after bulgogi. It's a much-loved way to use the leftover marinade and enjoy the flavors to the fullest. I hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back with more exciting Korean dishes next time, so stay tuned. Thank you.